Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lancaster County in south central Pennsylvania, southeastern Lebanon County in south central Pennsylvania, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:14 p.m., multiple severe thunderstorms were located over Lancaster County, moving north at 35 miles per hour. Hazard 70.
Yep.
This is a severe thunderstorm warning for Lancaster County and Lebanon County, effective until 4:15 p.m.
Thunderstorm warning? Yeah.
East Petersburg, Cornwall, Akron, Myerstown, Leola, Paradise, Salunga and Landisville, Denver, Maytown and Reamstown. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike for mile markers 263 to 294. Interstate 78 near mile marker 8. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following counties: Lancaster and Lebanon. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lancaster County in south central Pennsylvania.